Cool mini lights on the Volvo. And, so I'm at Droitwich Spa. It's the season finale of their monthly car meets. It's at the rugby club. I've never been to this one before, and I thought I'd better come up and have a look round before it's too late, because this is the last one of the year. So yeah, some lovely cars here anyway, and I'll take you for a walk around and show you what's here. And typical is it's trying to rain. Lovely Mark 1 Golf Cabriolet, 1900 GTI 205. And of course, little scimitar, which is the SS1. Parked next to the Chevrolet, which makes it look massive. A variation of the original Mini. And we got this Mark 1 Escort is lovely. Next to it is a Mark II RS 2000. The MG Metro.
Centenary celebration. Yeah.
So, don't see these very often. MGR V8s. Most of them are green, so that goldy colour one is definitely unusual. And they were limited production. That's lovely, hot rod. That's okay. MGTF and MGB Roadster. Not so familiar with those MGs. I'm not sure if that's a TA or a TC. There was quite a few different variations over the years. Figaro, based on the Nissan Micra. Lovely Lance, yeah. Another little Riley. I always get these muddled up, whether that's a 541 Jensen or a Bristol. Yeah, it's 541 Jensen. The M635, one of the first M cars. Subaru, all spec'd up for rallying. And of course, little mystery machine with Scooby-Doo. Another hot rod, Model A, maybe. And this one here is really cool. Old pickup truck. Don't know, almost like a rat rod. Alfa Romeo Alfa Stud. And surprising is, although we've just had a storm, there's still a lot more cars coming in. Classic minis, ever so popular. There we go, is that? Shows. That's lovely. But which one would you take home? The Mark 1 or the Mark 2 if you had the opportunity? I think I'd take that Mark 1. There's 1600 Sport Mark 2 there. Lovely Lotus XL. Jensen Interceptor SP. And we got another fantastic pairing. We've got a 1600 Sport Mark II and a Mark 1. I think that's 1300 XL. Yeah, something. This is very rare. Rochdale Olympic, British built sports car. Can't remember what engines it was. I don't think it was A series. I think it might have been Coventry Climax engines. And we've got another V8 Ford Pop. It's got obviously been retrimmed and it is lovely. MGA Roadster. SD1 Rover. This one's an unusual survivor, being a 2600. As with a lot of cars, any manufacturer really, people tend to only try and save the sports models or the higher end models. Lower spec cars normally just get part out or end up neglecting, going for scrap. Wow. Lotus Elite. That's probably my favourite car here. Mark 1 Fiesta, had one of them before I passed my test. I'm definitely sitting pretty on those rims. And we have a noddy car. If you ever watched the children's TV show, you'd recognise this one. So cute. Makes a Mini look big. Ooh, lovely Beetle. Lower, nice colours, like a baby blue over green. .12.5 GTIs, Austin A35, and we have the rain again. And there is an absolute monster, built for the Group B rallying. Normal Metro, widened, V6. Turbo, yeah, absolutely crazy, and very rare to see one out on the roads. More again. TR7 drop top. There's a fantastic selection of cars here, but such a shame that I've been caught up with different events throughout the year. This is the first time I managed to come up here. Volvo been converted into a pickup. Let's take a step back so I can show you this Winnebago first. Cool. And obviously next to it, got the hot rod. Corvette motor. Size that rear tyre. Winnebago is properly cool. Classic camper. 944 next to it, Citroen BX. Lovely clean Mustang. SMG Sprite. Series 1 RS Turbo. Very Essex boys, completely restored as well. I'm going to take a look at the more modern section, then we'll come back to do the last row in a few minutes. There's more cars coming in. So this is the more modern cars that are here this evening. Whether they're to do with the owners club or they got something of specific interest, like the Big Benz. But Z-Tech S Fiesta next to the newer Z-Tech S. Mini cabby. I like my minis. Well, the R50, R53s. Rain's coming down again. Lovely Impreza. I had a sports hatch in that colour. Oh so bright yellow Renault 5. This is not optimal. It's absolutely tipping it down now. So we got the Kia Stinger. Yellow over black interior. And someone's come in with the NSX. Don't see these about so often. Lovely colour in this, with light bouncing off it. Renault Megane RS. Got Alzetta Qualitat, which is the Japanese market. Bullet Mustang. They seem to be popular at events. Dodge Demon SRT. I was going to look at the back up, but this Miata's just pulled in. Right, so just had to run for some shelter. It's eased off again now. That was quite the storm. 3500 SP6, which is a 3.5 litre V8, which was originally a Chrysler engine or a Buick engine, and I think the 3500Ss were normally a manual. That storm would have tested the convertible tops. This Ford LTD was at Rustival the other week. XR3i. Mark IV Cortina, I believe. And we've got MGC. Got two more Mark II Escorts here. Yeah, this one has the RS wheels, and the other one's on mini lights. Lovely 356 Porsche. Another Cali style Beetle. XR2. Just 1600 CVH. Oh, Cortina wagon. That has a Lotus badge. Could be interesting. I don't think they ever made a Lotus Cortina estate. I know there was a couple of Crayford convertibles. Oh, spicy ladder. The white body kit. Oh, very spicy. That's running a rotary. So slightly stripped out inside. That's so cool. Yeah, I'm liking that. Got the Alfa Romeo GTV Spider. I nearly walked into the rugby posts. Hey. There's that little Lotus again. It's such a lovely colour. So just a few more of the moderns that have come in. Focus RS on the Oz Motorsport rims. Isuzu S5. It's a little Ibiza. It's quite nice on the gold rims. Just saying, something very interesting pulling in. We're going to. So, surprising, there's still stuff coming in. So yeah, this is what I seen pulling in earlier. Morgan Aeromax. This is the 4.4 BMW V8, I believe. I'm not sure actually. It's very special. They use Lancia rear lights. I think it was anyway. Got a job to remember now. It's been a long time since they were released. So there's no Daisy Duke here though. Generally speaking, that's massive for a two-door coupe. And I don't think there's any more classics coming in now. So this is just the last few that turned up. Lovely Mark 1 Cortina. I think that's a deluxe. RS 2000 Mark II Escort. Defender 90, I think that's a 300 TDI. So yeah, what a great selection to end the season off. So this is the show, it just keeps on giving it in the moment. These 3 Sierra Sapphire Cosworths just come in. 4x4, quite original condition. That one's a rear wheel drive. I suspect that one's a rear wheel drive as well. And then we got 205 CJ. And someone's come in the Civic.